Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change vehicle on Uber Driver app. So this is apparently not the Uber Driver app. I'm going to just walk you through the process because it's almost like pretty much the same thing, almost the same interface. All right, so if you are an Uber driver and need to switch to a new car, then this tutorial is for you. Go ahead and launch the Uber Driver app on your iPhone or your Android device. Make sure that you are logged into your driver account. Now, on the home screen of your driver account, just go ahead and look at the top right corner and tap your profile photo or icon to access your account settings. And in the menu that appears, go ahead and tap account. Now, this section holds everything about your profile documents and vehicle settings. Now tap vehicles from the accounts menu. Here you'll see a list of vehicles currently associated with your profile. To change to a new vehicle, go ahead and tap on the add vehicle button or the plus icon. Now enter your vehicle's information exactly as it appears on your registration. You'll be asked to provide make and model, license plate number, year of manufacture, and color. Now, you'll now be prompted to upload documents for the new vehicle. These usually include vehicle registration, vehicle insurance, vehicle inspection report, photo of the vehicle, and sometimes your driver's license again. Make sure all photos are clear, legible, and meet Uber's requirements. Once all the details and documents are uploaded, tap submit. Uber will now review the information. This can take anywhere from a few hours to 48 hours depending on your region and volume of applications. Now, after approval, return to the vehicle section, tap the new vehicle, then tap set as active or make primary to start driving with it. And that's it. You've successfully changed your vehicle on the Uber Driver app. So go over the tutorial to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.